guess what? I got my hands on the full Birds of Paradise collection by Makartt. Want to see what all I got? Just keep watching. So hey you guys, welcome back. As some of you guys know, I'm Roxanne, also known as Miss Nailology. You guys, we are not wasting any time. I hope you guys are doing great. But listen, we are here for this unboxing. You guys, I believe this kit is still sold out on the Makartt website, and I apologize. I'm hoping they get it up for you guys fairly soon. I won't do a whole bunch of talking in this video, you guys. You know how my unboxings go. I'll hush. I'll let you guys watch this. I'll be back in a sec. I'll hush. You watch. As you guys can see, these colors are beautiful. You guys, I love each and every one of these colors. I do wish that there was a yellow gel polish though, just to kind of round the collection out. But nonetheless, you guys, we're moving right into the Polygel kit. I'll hush. I'll let you guys watch this. I'll be back a little later. I'll hush. You watch. So here are all of the Polygel colors, you guys. These colors are so cute. I cannot wait to show you guys what all I did with this kit, you guys. Make sure you stay tuned for my next videos because my right and my left hand were done using this kit. You guys, I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, I'm a Makartt ambassador now, so be sure to check the description for all of my discount codes. You guys know I got y'all. I love you so much. Until next time, y'all. Peace.